Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube auto back problem. Okay, let's start the video. Now follow my all steps. I have solved the problem. Now first open your Play Store app and search YouTube and update your YouTube app. Finally your YouTube app is updated. Okay, go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, search for YouTube, tap on YouTube, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, tap on delete, and finally open your YouTube app and I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.